Glass laminating machine. By directly applying heat to the glass surface, the effect of rapid heating is achieved. The heat conversion efficiency reaches over 98%, with almost no heat loss, further improving production efficiency and reducing energy consumption, effectively saving customers electricity costs. The operating system uses a Siemens PLC and related analog modules. The convection parallel circulation structure has been adopted to accelerate the heat circulation process. The equipment is equipped with a remote control lifting platform to facilitate the transportation of glass during the processing. Laminated glass manufacturing process.